Summer. Summer. Summer is one of the 4 seasons of the year, characterized by warm weather, longer days, and shorter nights. It is the season that follows spring and precedes autumn. In many regions, summer is associated with higher temperatures, vibrant foliage, and a variety of outdoor activities. The origin of summer lies in the tilt of the Earth's axis and its orbit around the sun. During summer, the hemisphere tilted towards the sun receives more direct sunlight, resulting in warmer temperatures. In the northern hemisphere, summer occurs between the June solstice and the September equinox. Now let's use summer in an example sentence. I love spending summer days lounging by the pool and enjoying the sunshine. Thanks for listening in. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.